What is that? For your lips?
Yes.
Let me try some on. Oh, me? Okay, here. Oh, it echoes in here. Where are we anyways? Where's that parrot cave? Oh, we're in the caldera. Look at that. Wow. That's where we just hiked down. That was a pain in the ass. We're definitely going to have to go back the same way. Doesn't look any easier except maybe that way. That's a big maybe. Might be longer. So let's go check out the parrot cave, okay?
More?
More? Okay. Here.
More?
No, put some on yourself.
Okay.
Make sure it works, go. Got the lid?
Yeah.
I'll push.
Doo-doo.
Yep, lots of goat doo-doo. The goats are the only other people dumb enough to come down here. I haven't seen any. I heard them a couple times. Want some outpush?
No.
Okay.
The pool. The doo-doo.
Yeah, I'm gonna go pee and then let's go check out that parrot cave, okay? I hope I got the camera in here. We might not though. Might only have this.
Bye-bye.
Not yet. Not yet. We're gonna go to that cave right there.